Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Balasar location. It is from Odisha. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for the Customer Service Associate. It is from More Retail Private Limited. And for this position, the qualifications will be ITI in electrical will be preferable, and they should have minimum 2 to 8 years of work experience, and you are going to get a salary up to 1.6 lakhs per annum. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the given mail ID, that is rupam.chattopadhyay@mooreretail.in. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the admission executive. It is from ODM Educational Group, and for this position, the male candidates are eligible with the on-field business development experience of at least 1 year, and it should be smart personality and good communication skill will be key factors for this position. And you are going to get a salary up to 2.8 lakhs per annum, and it will be fixed, and plus 2 to 4 lakhs per annum, and it will be variable. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the given mail ID, that is hr@odmegroup.org. Next one, there is a job opening for the executive assistant. It is only for the male candidates, and it is from the Highland Group. For this position, you should have any graduation with MBA, and you should have 5 years of experience, and you should have good communication skills with knowledge of computers, and you are going to get a salary from 5 lakhs per annum to 10 lakhs per annum. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the given mail IDs. Next one, there is a job opening for the head marketing shrimp export. It is from the Highland Delamere Private Limited. For this position, you should have 10 to 15 years of experience in shrimp export, and you are going to get a salary from 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs per annum. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the given mail ID, that is Anand I anadi.jena@highlandgroups.com. Next one, there is a job opening for the logistics executive. It is from Highland Group, and if we see the qualifications required for this position, like you should have a good knowledge in Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and you should have experience in planning, coordinating, and monitoring logistics operations such as warehousing, inventory transportation, and supply chain process, and you should have 2 to 5 years of experience in data entry, and you are going to get a salary from 10 to 18K per month. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the given mail IDs, that is anadi.jena@highlandgroups.com or hr.highlanddealmer@gmail.com. Next one, there is a job opening for the area sales manager. It is from Secretrix Global Private Limited. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the given mail ID, that is hr@secretrixpro.com. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the area business manager, assistant manager in sales and marketing, and it is from the Global Prospects Human Resource and Recruitment Consultant. For this position, you should have a minimum 3 years of work experience, and for this position, you are going to get a salary from 4.8 lakhs to 7.2 lakhs per annum. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the given mail IDs, that is javed@globalprospects.in or manisha@globalprospects.in. Next one, there is a job opening for the Sales and Business Development Executive. It is from ADECO. And if you see the qualifications and experience required for this position, like you should have graduation from Tier 2 by 3rd campus with good academic record, and you should have qualifications like B.Pharm or MBA will be an added advantage for this position, and you should have proven work experience with 1 to 2 years in sales or business development, and you should have experience in pharmaceutical company or medical representative would be an add-on. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the given mail ID, that is soumi.barik@adeco.com. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the marketing manager. It is from Vero Chinim Engineering Private Limited. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the given mail ID. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening for the data entry operator. It is on contractual basis, and it is from the Suyuk India Private Limited. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the given mail IDs like hr@suyukindia.com or uh, vijayalakshmi@suyugindia.com. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.